Hey everyone, and welcome back to our LiveU 101 video series. In this episode, we're diving back into our product lineup. Only today, we'll be talking about our decoder options, as well as unique workflows you can leverage for your next live production. LiveU decoders are the devices that sit at the end of your live video transmission, where the portable and fixed encoders are transmitting the video to. These devices are just as crucial to the encoder part of the workflow, as it's how you're getting your live video feeds into your live production. It's decoding LRT and outputting SDI, NDI, 2110, SRT, RTMP, MPEG-TS, and many more. The decode options are endless. This can be implemented in a physical control room or a cloud infrastructure. This point-to-point transmission architecture provides security and resiliency in all the content fed across the LiveU ecosystem. So what exactly are the decode options? The LU2000 is a 1U rack mount decoder enabling you to receive, decode, play out, stream, and distribute any HEVC or H.264 video feed from a LiveU device. The LU2000 comes in different flavors, as single channel or multi-channel output. The multi-channel version can decode up to 4 full HD independent transmissions from any field unit. It is our most deployed decoder in the field. But wait, there's more. You can also take the LU2000 and put it into the cloud. LiveU's cloud-based decoders, which we call cloud channels, allow you to seamlessly receive LRT feeds from your LiveU field units and output them to various digital destinations or your cloud-based production platforms. Our cloud-based option can be hosted by LiveU or within a customer's virtual private cloud, such as AWS, where we can install the software on an EC2 instance. Once in the cloud, similar to our hardware deployment, we can output any IP format that's required, including NDI, RTMP, MPEG-TS, and SRT. And remember, it's not all one size fits all. Cloud channels can be dynamically added as supplementary channels alongside your physical receivers. You can use a mix of decode channels as needed. The LU4000 is very similar to the LU2000. However, the LU4000 is a 4K quad HD rack mount decoder for the highest quality video. The LU4000 supports a single 4K transmission over 12G SDI, as well as up to 4 full HD 10-bit HDR independent transmissions from different field units. And just like the LU2000, it also is available in the form of a cloud channel. I know what you're thinking, how can we make this more exciting? Well, telling you we also support 2110 output. The LU4000 comes in a SMPTE 2110 version, providing you with the ultimate compatibility with your network infrastructure. If you've gone down the road of moving your facility to 2110, it's natural to want all of your systems to be compatible. The LU4000 SMPTE 2110 adheres to the highest redundancy standards using two 25 gigabit Ethernet ports. The receive is fully NMOS compliant, making device discovery and control simple on your existing operating system. If none of that made any sense, 2110 is a language that broadcasters use to send video, audio, and data over a network instead of using traditional cables like HDMI or SDI. Think of it like streaming Netflix, but every piece, your video, sound, etc., is sent separately so it can be adjusted independently. Instead of being stuck with physical cables for each piece of equipment, everything connects through a central network. This means you can send and manage a ton of live feeds much more easily. What if you want to bring your LiveU decoder on location? Often, customers want to mix in LiveU encoded camera angles to the production truck, or just bring LiveU signals from the control room or other locations back to the truck. To mobilize your LiveU decoder, you need stable and reliable internet connectivity so it can receive LiveU traffic. But the challenge is not all connectivity is the same. As many IT professionals and broadcasters come to find when they arrive at a venue and are handed an internet signal, the provider typically has a firewall in place for inbound traffic. The LiveU decoder requires you to configure a firewall to enable UDP traffic inbound. Asking an IT person at a venue to allow this can be at best a headache, at worst a no-go. Imagine broadcast engineers and the local IT person at a venue going head to head. Not a pretty picture. This is where LU Link can help. Using a layer 2-like tunneling protocol, as long as the internet they provide you allows for outbound traffic, the LiveU link bypasses this firewall configuration requirement. To put it simply, or to just explain it as best we can, LiveU link provides an IP address from the cloud to the Decode server. This VPN-like connection allows LiveU UDP traffic to be sent directly to the Decode server. No firewall networking required. It sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple to use. In LiveU Central, you just turn link on and your decoder is good to go. No headaches or battles with IT teams. What's more, if you're not able to gain access to internet at the venue, LiveU Link can be paired with LiveU Extend, our bonded cellular device to power the decoder in the field with cellular connectivity. LiveU Link gives you the unparalleled access to the LiveU ecosystem in any environment, at any location. The LiveU transceiver is our Swiss Army knife here at LiveU. Why? Well, a LiveU transceiver can act as an encoder, a decoder, or both. You can share and receive up to 4 video feeds simultaneously and independently using a single 1U rack mount device. Utilizing HEVC-based encoding and decoding, it ensures high-quality video transmission with efficient bandwidth usage. Supporting resolutions up to 1080p 60, it caters to a range of professional broadcast standards. It can deliver up to 80 megabits per second total bandwidth with a maximum of 20 megabits per second per channel. It also supports SCSI-35 for ad insertion and closed captioning for accessibility compliance. While a fixed internet connection is required for operation, it ensures stable and reliable transmission with up to 16 audio channel support per input and output. That's going to do it for this episode of our LiveU 101 video series. Next episode, we're going to start diving into production workflows, starting with remote production or REMI. Hope to see you there.